What is going on, guys? We're back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing some creek fishing. Yep, we're at the creek. Just got here, you know, haven't done much. But today I'm gonna be finishing with the bait caster, see there, with my crawdad looking bait that I showed you in my previous video. Not using my KVD rod today. Feeling a little bait caster mood. So, let's get to it. Hey guys, we are back. It's been a pretty slow day. Haven't caught much. All I know is that the water is cold, man. I'm telling you. Broke off my bait and had to go get it. It's cold. But yeah, been a pretty slow day. Haven't caught but one or two. But yeah, see if we can go catch some more.
Okay, but first, just toss it up there. Just like that. Hey, come right up here.
Oh, this is my friend, how it's done. Go right up where?
Pull you up. And
Yeah! Boom!
hey, turn him in.
Are you gonna die?
No. Show
I
the
gotta-
show the camera.
I already did.
Well,
That's how it's done. Nice throw, man.
pitching back. Away you go.
Things are cold.
Way to go. Way
Huh?
to go.
Darn right.